Hi, this is Johnny I with Operation Barbecue Relief. Today I'm going to show you a dish from Kenya. It's called barbecue spice shrimp. Now the people of Kenya use very, very bold spices in what they prepare, but I think you're going to really enjoy this dish. It's very simple to make. So first we're going to start with some minced garlic and minced ginger, two very, very pungent flavors. Add that to a mixing bowl. Then we're going to add our spices, and we have salt, cinnamon, turmeric, which is that yellow powder, and cumin. Okay, again, all very bold flavors added with the ginger and the garlic. It's also going to give your shrimp a really nice color. Next, we're going to take some fresh lime, and you're going to squeeze some fresh lime juice in. Next to your mixture, you're going to add some avocado oil. What I like about avocado oil, it's got a very high flash point, so you can sear items very, very high heat, and the oil won't burn. Now you want to basically make a paste out of all of these flavors. And then you want to mix really well. So as you can see, what you have is a pretty thick, chunky paste. And this is going to be used to coat the shrimp as you put them on your barbecue. Now you get the aroma of that fresh lime. The ginger is very pungent. I'm smelling the cinnamon. So there's some savory, lot of flavors going on with this. So next what we're going to do is I have my bowl of peeled shrimp. I've left the tails on. And I'm going to add some of this paste to the shrimp. Just enough to cover it. Now I'm going to save the rest of that. I'll show you what we're going to do with that later. So now what I want to do is just mix up my shrimp so that they're coated in the paste. This is the most important part. You want to make sure the shrimp are completely covered. And as you can see, the shrimp are already starting to change color because they're absorbing all of that turmeric and the cumin. So now what we're going to do is we're going to place this on our grill. We're going to grill it each side, probably take about 2 minutes on each side because the shrimp cook very, very fast. And then we'll be back to finish the dish. Okay, so it's been about 2 minutes. Now we're going to turn our shrimp over. So now we're ready to pull off our shrimp. So now as you can see, our shrimp have a beautiful color. They're yellow. The aroma that's coming off the shrimp is phenomenal because aside from all that spiciness that we put on the marinade, I'm smelling the sweetness of the shrimp. So now traditionally in Kenya, they serve this dish with rice. So we're going to take some plain white rice and we're just going to pile it in the center of the plate. Now we're going to take our shrimp and we're going to place it around the rice. Now we're going to take a little bit of the paste that we had reserved, because this has still a lot of pungent flavor into it. I'm going to put a dollop right in the center of the rice. And then just for the garnish, I'm going to put a little parsley sprig. And there you have it, a native dish of Kenya, barbecue spiced shrimp.